Welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm going to show you how to address this easy oil leak. This is on a 2008 Infiniti G35X, and these are the tools you will need. Before we get into it, make sure you like and subscribe, share this video, comment below if you have any questions. You're going to need a pick, your O-ring, and ratchet wrench, and a torque wrench. Alright, so basically what you're going to do is take your oil filter off here first, and then you're going to remove this nut right here, which is a 22 mil. That's the socket that fit for me. And then on the back side there's an O-ring. Alright, I hope y'all can see that pretty good, but you're going to use that pick and remove that O-ring right in that groove there, and just replace that O-ring, and that's what causes leaks from the back side of this here. So basically what I'm going to do is put the new O-ring right in there, fit it in, and I'll be back with you guys. Alright, it should look like this once you put the bolt back in that holds the oil filter on. Now you can tighten it tight as you want to do it, but I'm telling you right now, the torque specs for it is 36 foot-pound. And another reason why this could leak is if you have over-tightened filters on here, this could potentially loosen this screw up. So I think that's what was the case with this, and it just over time it just get loose and looser and looser. Because when I took this bolt off, I barely even had to use a wrench. It was already so loose. So before you buy a new one, just try to tighten this down to see if it got any play in it or anything like that. But I'm gonna tighten this down to 36 foot-pound, and when you get done, make sure you fill the oil back up. And if this was helpful, make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, as you can see, no leaks here. Or on the back side. And this is where you usually leak at, right in here. So when you get that leak, make sure you change that gasket out.